Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the path traversal or directory traversal flaw in very plain words. It is a vulnerability that affects the server side of web applications. I request you to check our video on the cross-site scripting attacks in order to better understand the server and client side of a web application. First, it is necessary to approach the tree structure of a website before dealing with this flaw. A website can be represented as a folder in this way. Path is the point of the tree in which we are present for a given file. For a website, the basic path is where the file is located, like index, followed by an extension, like .php, .html, .js, etc. We can represent this path by a single dot, which symbolizes the current folder. To indicate another file, just add a slash followed by the name of the desired folder to return to the previous or root folder. These paths are used to include different folders and files on a website. It should also be noted that the tree structure of a website is itself in a system tree. In other words, the folder containing a server is itself in a folder on a server that contains other items. Let us take this PHP code for an example. The readdir function will allow you to retrieve the different files and folders found in the selected path. With this tree structure and this path passed as an argument, we would end up with these selected files. Now, how can an attacker abuse this loophole? Let us take the previous code and change the argument of readdir like this. We find $get here. We have already discussed this in the video on OS command injections. With this new code, the value of the parameter in the URL will be used to retrieve the contents of the file. An attacker can then simply add a // in the URL, and the server will then display the contents of this folder, which was otherwise not supposed to be unveiled. It is therefore possible for the hacker to scan the server if it is configured incorrectly. Once the files and folders are displayed, they could just change the URL to point to the desired one. Now, in order to prevent the exploitation of path traversal vulnerabilities, Rohde & Schwarz Cybersecurity Web Application Firewall technologies employ an effective technique. It detects malicious patterns used during path traversal to block and redirect malicious requests. In addition to this technique, the deciphering of multiple encoding is also very beneficial. It transforms the encoded characters in order to verify them, like this. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to know more about path traversal attacks, I welcome you to look at the article given in the description below. You can also watch another video from this OWASP Top 10 series.